Reporting and Auditing Sustainability Reporting, CDP, GRI. In the heart of a bustling corporate office, a team of sustainability analysts gathered around a polished conference table, their laptops open and filled with data. They had just completed a rigorous year-long effort to measure and reduce their company's carbon emissions. The numbers were promising, emissions had decreased significantly, and the team was eager to share this success with stakeholders. Yet they understood that the journey did not end with reduction. It was crucial to communicate their achievements effectively to the broader community. Sustainability reporting had become a critical part of their strategy, a window through which stakeholders could glimpse the company's environmental performance. The analysts recognized that transparency was not just a buzzword, it was a necessity in today's corporate landscape. Stakeholders, including investors, customers, and employees, were increasingly demanding accountability from businesses regarding their environmental impact. The team knew that sharing their carbon reduction story was essential to building trust and fostering a positive relationship with these groups. To guide their reporting efforts, the analysts turned to established frameworks that had proven effective in articulating sustainability initiatives. The Carbon Disclosure Project, CDP, stood out as a prominent tool. The CDP provided a platform for companies to disclose their climate-related risks and opportunities, encouraging a comprehensive understanding of how environmental factors could influence business operations. By participating in the CDP, the team could benchmark their performance against industry standards, gaining insights into where they stood in relation to competitors. This external validation would not only enhance their credibility, but also attract investors who were increasingly interested in environmentally responsible companies. As they prepared their report, the analysts also integrated the principles of the Global Reporting Initiative, GRI. The GRI framework encompassed a broader scope, addressing environmental, social, and governance (ESG) disclosures. This holistic approach resonated with the team's vision of sustainability, as it emphasized the interconnectedness of their environmental efforts with social responsibility and corporate governance. By aligning their report with GRI standards, they could present a well-rounded narrative that showcased not only their carbon reduction achievements, but also their commitment to ethical practices and community engagement. The analysts worked diligently to craft a narrative that highlighted their successes while acknowledging the challenges they faced. They included stories of innovative projects such as renewable energy initiatives and waste reduction programs that had directly contributed to their emissions decrease. They understood that stakeholders were not just interested in numbers, they wanted to connect emotionally with the company's journey. By sharing personal stories from employees involved in these initiatives, the report would resonate on a deeper level, fostering a sense of pride and ownership among stakeholders. As the final report took shape, the team realized that the act of sharing their environmental performance was more than just a compliance exercise. It was a strategic move that could significantly enhance their market position. In an era where consumers and investors were increasingly choosing brands based on their sustainability practices, the report would serve as a powerful tool to attract new business opportunities. Investors, in particular, were scrutinizing ESG factors more than ever before, recognizing that companies with robust sustainability practices were often more resilient and better positioned for long-term success. With the report finalized, the team felt a surge of excitement. They were ready to present their findings at the upcoming stakeholder meeting, confident that their transparency would build trust and reinforce their commitment to sustainability. As they reflected on their journey, they understood that sustainability reporting was not merely about compliance. It was a vital aspect of their corporate identity. In sharing their emissions reduction story, they were not just reporting on numbers. They were inviting stakeholders to join them in a collective effort toward a sustainable future, one where businesses could thrive while respecting the planet. Thank you for watching this episode of the ECOPOLY Carbon Accounting Masterclass. Every number we track, every footprint we reduce, and every decision we make brings us one step closer to a low-carbon future. Whether you're an individual, a business, or a community leader, your action matters. Stay curious, stay committed, and keep building the world we all deserve. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the next step in your sustainability journey. This is ECOPOLY, decoding the climate economy one story at a time.